Welcome back to the channel. I'm Katie. I sell part-time on eBay, Poshmark, and Depop, and I'm back with another whatnot unboxing. I went to this show last week. It's a new seller for me, so risky, but I'm excited. I really got good vibes from this seller. It was only their fourth show, but she really was describing items pretty well, and the reviews that she had were that she really looks through the items and that things were in excellent condition. So I was excited. With it being a newer seller, there weren't a ton of people in there, so I was able to get some really good deals. Her shipping was set up so that you paid a max of $9.21, and she used a large flat rate box. So your $9.21 shipping was on your first item, the way that she had it set up. So like I kind of said in my what sold video, I think that I will start averaging my cost of goods on these whatnot items, because I do think it kept me from bidding on things earlier in the show, because I was a little bit nervous that that $9.21 cost of goods added on to the item just might not justify whatever sales price I might get for it. So there were about 7 or 8 items that she ran, and I was like, oh, I would bid on that, but the $9.21. So yeah, I think I could have gotten a lot more items, and we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I'll be back in their show, and I'm excited to see if there's some items I can list. The contents of this package are just $30, and that included shipping. So I got some really good deals, and as they have more shows, hopefully more people will go in there and bid things up a bit more. But I was excited, so we'll see. I'm gonna open it up. The fun thing about these is that there's no unopening it, you know, like we can't do it again. And I'm not good at it, so. Struggle. We are in my backyard again because the fam is inside. This time you get to see more of my backyard. Okay, so I won 2 giveaways, which is very exciting. And they were for $5 coupons off of her next shows. So this was really cool. I love winning a giveaway, but those are really good giveaway ideas that I might incorporate into my shows. Okay, so it's all packaged so nicely. Okay, we are off to a good start here. She's got the whole manifest of what I got. I'm so excited already. Okay, this is the first item that I bid on, and I did think that it would be worth the $9.21 in shipping on top of it. And it is a pair of Hammy's shorts. The brand is Hammy's right there. These retail for $80 from what I quickly looked up online. They have like a smocked, stretchy back of the waist. These are in excellent condition. We'll check the inside. So nice. So I was planning that I would be able to list them for about $40, and with approximately $15 into them, $14.57 I think, I thought that could be okay. They're like a retro inspired short, like 70s style, but they are a current, style and brand. So yeah, Hammy's. Let me show you the inside, and they're a size 24. Really good. Should I take my glasses off my head? I have my receipt here. I print out all of my receipts from the whatnot shows that I go to, and I put them in my spreadsheet, and then I keep those just as if I was going to a thrift store. Okay, I think I bid on this second. It's a Lily Pulitzer top. I really can't see in my camera, so I'm hoping that you can see me. It's a really cute Lily Pulitzer top. I think it's an older label because it's pink, size extra small. It has these cute little pom-poms at the bottom. Again, we're just looking over condition pretty quickly here. Looks really nice. Is there an interior tag? Yes, it's 100% rayon. So I think I assumed I could get 25 for that. That is so cute. I've had good luck with Lily Pulitzer this summer, and I think I had $6.44 into that item. I bid up to $6 because once I hit that $9.21, she had unlimited shipping. So then I was ready to bid, and some other people did the same. So then, you know, items did start going up quite a bit. I think she got like $50 maybe 60 for a men's Lululemon 2X top, which was incredible. A lot of the things went for low amounts, but that one went for a lot. And I was just thinking, she's got the right person in here right now looking for it. And yeah, so I was really happy for her on that one. This is Maeve Anthropology. I paid $2 for this, and it's a ribbed, like almost elbow sleeve shirt. Just a wardrobe basic, but Anthropology can be expensive. I think I thought I'd get about 20. And for the fall, this could be great for someone who goes to the office. I really like this. It's in good condition. We are happy. Nice, no stains. Everything smells clean, so I think she cleaned everything. These I got for my daughter. Some Prana biker shorts. She's been wanting biker shorts, and we want a longer inseam. So these I paid $3 for her. They're in really good condition. Ooh, I'm excited to go back to this person's show. I think there might have been also somebody in there who might be a viewer of my channel, and I wanted to say hey, but I also wanted to give you privacy on there. So if you were in there, like, say hey. I hope you got some good deals too. Okay, really cute. These I paid $1 for, and I don't know anything about them, but I was really trusting that that she was, you know, gonna live up to her reviews, and I think she has. The brand on these is Fleo, and I like quickly Googled them, and I think they retail for about 75 bucks. They're a heathered purple, and leggings don't do super well, but I thought if I could get 20, that would be great, and I paid $1 for those. Really nice. 2 more items, and I paid $30 for all of this. These are Patagonia. A Patagonia 3332 made in Sri Lanka. They're like a khaki chino type pant. She did say there was some distressing at the bottom. So really great. She noted it, and I think people bid knowing that, and they didn't want to deal with it. So I think I got it for just a couple dollars, which is great. I will just disclose that. But otherwise, look to be in good pre-owned condition. These don't have like a Patagonia patch on them, I don't think. They have this up here. So we'll have to see what kind of pants these are, but for a couple bucks, Patagonia, 100%. I love selling Patagonia. It's one of my favorite outdoor brands to sell, and it retails for a ton. Okay, and then this was sort of like an I don't know, but I'm gonna take a try because no one else bid for it. It's like an outdoor rain jacket. Is it nylon or is it so it's 100% polyester. The brand is Fly Low, and I think they sell it at REI. She was saying that it was kind of like a Columbia or North Face type brand. Good condition. I like this teal color. I also like having men's items in my stores. It's an extra small. I think it's men's. She ran through some men's items. It has clean Velcro wrists, even though I won't use Velcro on eBay because they don't allow that word, and zip pockets, and I paid $1. I am so happy with my purchase. What do you guys think? I think excellent deals. I'll be able to resell, I think, every item that I picked up. So I'm excited, and I hope to go back to her show soon if she has another one. Okay, so I am going to cut in here. I went thrifting. I had a couple hours in the morning to go thrifting one day. So I went, and I only picked up a few things there. So I'll show those to you. And then I also have a whatnot package that I opened up that was like very, it was an impulsive show that I went into. So if you're interested in sticking around for that part, please do. If I add that in, we'll see how I do with editing things together. But thank you so much for joining. I wanted to make sure that I had something to show you, because I'll be listing these going into this next week, and I like to do that, keep you updated with the things that I'm actively putting in my store, so then every week when I share with you what's sold, you can see some of these items that I picked up if you watch these videos. Anyway, thanks so much for joining, and I will see you next time. So I went to Goodwill. I went to the standard price thrift store that I thrift at, not so much anymore. a consignment store, and a buy-sell trade. I got nothing at the buy-sell trade, nothing at the consignment store, and then I got a few items at Goodwill and one at the standard price thrift store. So I got 3 items from Goodwill. I don't know a ton about them because I just got back, but I want to share them with you before I get to listing them this week. The brand on these pants, I was in that pants section again. That's not the jeans. I went through a lot. I was in there for like an hour and a half. I went through the jeans and everything, but that pants section where they just put like random pants is a good section to go through. I found these outdoor research outdoor pants. They had them marked at $7.99 and they are new with tags. I think they just missed them. They have UPF 50 in it, which you know I love, and I put in the titles because people are looking for that. They retail for $99, and they are the Feroci pants in dark navy, a women's size 2, and it has the style number. So I'll be able to look this up online and get all of the info. But I think they're like an outdoor hiking type pant. They have little bungees at the ankles, so that's cool. They're adjustable. Here's the Outdoor Research brand. I don't think I've ever picked it up thrifting before, so I was really excited to pick it up. I will pop up, of course, any information that I come across later. This is like a preliminary thing where I just got back and I think everything that I got is amazing. And then later I find out maybe not so amazing. So we'll see about those, but I think pretty good. I love that activewear category in my stores. So like selling it. So I think those will do okay. This brand I have never found before. It is Anatomy or Anatomy. And I have heard several resellers talk about this brand, and they looked to be in good condition. These pants, they feel like nylon. They're made in Romania. That's how I looked on the interior tag, because I saw Anatomy or Anatomy, and I thought, I have seen this on the videos of people that I watch. These are made in Romania, polyamide, so that's like nylon, and elastane, which is like spandex. It took me so long to figure these things out. And they're like a tapered cargo pant. So we're gonna find out more information. I did do a quick Google image search, which you know, sometimes that tells you nothing, like nothing helpful. Like you think the item you got is gold and it turns out it's not. But I saw listings for $69 for this. So I need to figure out more about this brand. Hopefully I do that before I upload this video so that I can pop it up and share with you. But if I haven't, please share with me. And then the last item that I got was a pair of packed organic pants. These are a size large. There's the pack tag. These are 100% organic cotton. They're like a heathered brown type color. They really are in good condition. They just have this wash to them that like looks worn, which I don't know why they did that, but it's that pull-on style with a wide leg, and I just know that I can sell them. So I picked them up, but they were $6.99, which I think is pretty fair. I will look up what the retail on these is, but I think that I can sell these like probably within 90 days. That's usually the goal. As we go into fall, somebody's gonna need these comfy pants. And then, so that was all I got there. I passed on 12 to 15 Lululemon items. Like somebody got rid of all their Lululemon and Goodwill just went through and they just tagged each of them at $14.99, no matter what it was. I did have a couple things in my cart for like the whole time that I was shopping, and I was trying to justify it to myself. But I'm proud to say that I put them back and I did not overpay for Lululemon today. There might be some in this whatnot box, but today, we're talking today. I went to the standard price thrift store that I go to and I got one item. I also went to a buy-sell trade and a consignment store, and I purchased nothing from those stores. The consignment store that I like to go to, because they have color tags each month, we are at like the end of the month, so it's been very picked through and I wasn't able to go at all in July. So hopefully I'll be able to go in the beginning of August, because I usually get like a handful of good items when their fresh 50% tags go. So this brand is Lug, and it's an expensive like travel brand. I have sold a wallet, like a travel wallet in this, and it has RFID protection in it, which like protects you from all of the scammers trying to get your credit card info. I think this one has it. I'm not totally sure, but I picked it up because it is a wicked collab with Lug. It's got like the quilted, I think it's Elphaba's like maybe hat. And it has some, if you can see, it has some wicked, it has Galinda and Elphaba here, and a collab I thought could do well. They did want $4 for it. Their little wristlets and wallets are $1.99 unless otherwise marked. So they must have thought this was special. They had one of those Rubbermaid tubs with like the 3 drawers, just jammed full of purses and wallets. So I did go through them and I was able to find this in there, which is exciting. It's in excellent, like new condition. So I was excited to find it. I will pop up my listing or comps or something like that so you can see. But I think that this could sell pretty well if my daughter doesn't take it. But I think it will have a strong resale value, so I will be listing that. So $4 on that, and that's all that I got in like 3 hours of shopping. So that was, it was disappointing because I thought how much could I get digging at the bins for 3 hours? Probably a lot more than 4 items. So I'm cutting it again. Sorry for the choppy editing. I'm gonna end my video there. I will see you on Tuesday for what sold. Hopefully some of the items that I have listed might sell by then. Anyway, I'll see you next time.